Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Do I have a groundbreaking video for you today? Today we are about to solve one of life's biggest puzzles, which is how to put a shoulder strap on your Birkin. I know, first world problems, right? But those of us who have Birkins, we all know it is a pain in the butt sometimes that the Birkins do not have shoulder straps. They can get pretty heavy, especially the larger sizes, so 30, 35. You know, you have to either carry it on your hand or let it hang on your arm. And I know when I travel, if I take my Birkin 35 and I pack it to the gills, there will be a point where I will have marks on my arms and they get all red because, you know, they do get really heavy. One of the reasons why I am shying away from getting Birkin 35s, even though I know a 35 is a fabulous bag for travel, for your airplane. But if it has a shoulder strap, problem solved, guys. So I have to give credit where credit is due. So I actually saw this on a friend's Instagram. You know, she posted a video about this, and I will put her name right here for you to see. Go check her Instagram out. She is so nice. And I told her I was going to absolutely buy the strap and everything that she showed, and I was gonna make a video and give her credit. We live in a world where people steal people's ideas and do not give each other credit. Hey, there is room for all of us to shine, okay? And today I'm wearing this super cute dress that you guys are gonna see throughout the video. So before you ask about the dress, I will put a link to the dress in the description box below. So here are the things that you're going to need in order to make this happen. So you will have to purchase this right here, which are these two loops. And of course, I'm going to link everything for you in the description box below, everything that you have to purchase to make this happen, which is really two things, okay? So this is the first thing, and let's get it out of the plastic bag, but they are these two loops right here. And then the place that you're going to order this from, they have this in several different colors. They have it with silver finish, gold finish, really to match your bag. They don't have all of the Birkin colors in the world, but they do have quite a bit of a selection, and I think you can figure out something that will work for the color of your bag, right? And then the other thing that I want to mention that I wasn't sure about was when you order this, it comes as a set. The little store did not specify if it was just one, so I ended up getting two sets, and now I have a bunch of these left. So just know that when you order, they will come as a set of two. And then the other thing that you're going to need is the actual strap, and you will order the strap separately. Okay. And again, I will link the website where you order the strap from, but this is it right here. And then again, you will pick the color, you will pick the finish, gold hardware, silver hardware. They have different width straps. They also have straps that look like the ones that they actually sell at Hermes with some patterns. You know, if you are looking for a longer strap for your mini Kelly, for example, I know that that is a struggle for me as well. My mini Kelly is really short and I cannot wear it crossbody, you know, because the strap is, you know, not that long. They also have straps that you can use for your mini Kelly and make your mini Kelly crossbody friendly, which I absolutely love. So just so that you know, the length of this strap that I'm using is 110 centimeters. You will see that they have several different options. I am pretty tall, guys, so I am 5'8", so I know that I need a pretty long strap in order to wear something crossbody, but I think this is a good reference for you. If you are shorter, maybe you go with like a 105 or like a 100, you know, you can measure and figure out exactly the right size for you. And then the color of the strap is rose azalea, which is the color of my Birkin 30, right? I wanted a strap for this Birkin right here. And thankfully, you know, they did have the exact pink that is the pink of my Birkin. Now, the other cool thing is that my Birkin is Epsom leather and the strap is Epsom leather as well. Guys, it looks flawless, okay, in terms of comparing to my real bag. It is the exact same color, the exact same leather. I mean, pretty amazing, right? So let's talk about how you put this on. So you're going to get the strap, okay, and you will have to remove this right here from its hole. So I'm gonna do that right now. I'm gonna like push that inside the hole, right? So I'm removing it. And I'm going, sorry, it's kind of hard to do this as I am filming, but you see, I just removed it from the hole, and then I'm gonna go inside one more time, and I'm gonna push this in. I hope you can see that, but I am pushing that in. There you go, see? So I pushed it in all the way to the middle loop right here. And now we are going to insert our little loop. I'm gonna put the loop right here. See how I inserted it? All the way until it's on the bag. Now that you did that, you're just gonna stick this back in the loop where it belongs. There you go. That's what I'm doing. I'm gonna pull it from the back, stick it through the rest of the loops. Ta-da. There you go. Okay, I already have the other one done. So as you can tell, I just put the loop right here, right? Look at that. It's super secure, guys, because you have all of this support all around it. So now you can see that both of their sides have their loops in place. And I'm gonna get my strap right here. And that's the easy part, right? All I'm gonna do is just put the strap in the loop. And now we're gonna do the other side. Ta-da. And there you have it. Check this out. Your Birkin now has a strap. And here's what I love. Nothing rubs, okay? Even this part right here that you can tell, like the little gold loop, this is now rubbing on your Birkin, you know, on the side of your Birkin. Nothing is touching. And then if you are concerned that this is too much stress on the side of your Birkin, you know, having this hanging from it, it is really not, you guys. This is so well supported because it is on the middle loop of your Birkin. So it has all of the support on both sides from the strap, because the bag is so well designed, right? That the strap has all of the support. And then this is leather, you know, that is touching the side of your bag. It really is not an issue at all. That was one of the concerns that I have, but it is really well supported. It is kind of like as if it was part of the bag. I cannot even tell you how flipping happy I am with this. Check this out. And then at this length, I can do crossbody, I can do shoulder length. Now I can take my Birkin to the airport. And if you want thicker straps, like I said, you can have longer, you can have shorter, you can have different patterns. So I am so excited. I feel like this is a game changer for your Birkin, okay? I like the design of the Birkin better than the Kelly. I only would buy a Kelly because of the shoulder strap. If the Birkin had shoulder straps, I would only buy Birkins, because I do think the Birkin is more beautiful and more classic, you know what I mean? So I feel like this is a game changer for me. This is like a problem solver. So I hope you guys like this, but I have one more thing that I want to show you that is so cute also to jazz up your Birkin or your Kelly or any bag for that matter. You know, today we are doing like a Birkin jazz up your bag day, okay? So I have to show you this. Check this out. Again, I saw this on Instagram, and this is a tiny little Birkin made by hand in leather. Check this out. It even has the little feet of the Birkin. It has the little lock right here that dangles. Check that out. I mean, it is absolutely perfect, you guys. Check this out. So I'm gonna put it on my red Birkin for you to take a look at. So this is an Instagram account that you ordered this from. I'll put the Instagram account and the website as well. They have a website that you can order directly. She makes these in many different colors: baby pink, baby green, baby blue. But you know, because they are handmade, she doesn't have like huge quantities available. So if you see something that you like, you should get it right away, because it takes time for her to make more. The cost for us in US dollars, this is coming from Asia. The cost for us, I believe, is like $93 or $95, something along those lines. Even the handle, guys, the handle is like hard, just like an Hermes handle would be, like super secure. It is so well done. I cannot even tell you how cute this is. Now, you can hang this in different ways, right? You can throw this on the side of your handle like so, and kind of like make the loop like so. And you can let it hang like this. Look how cute. Oh my gosh. I want to get like a baby pink for my other Birkin as well, the pink Birkin, just to make it like an ultra cupcake. You can also make it longer or shorter, right? But I also like to hang it in the lock loop right in the middle. So like right here, let me show you. So here's what I do, right? I stick it through the middle of the loop, and then I come around like so. And then what I do, because this is too long, I'll make a little bow. How flipping cute is this? You can make, you know, the bow bigger or smaller, let it hang a little bit more, a little bit less. I mean, the sky's the limit. You know, you can put it here from the top hanging, but what a touch for your Birkin, guys. How cute is this? How adorable, guys. I mean, and you can actually cut also this little piece of silk right here and make this as short as you would like, right? So totally customizable. You can make it very long, very short, in the middle, exactly how you want it. But what a great idea to decorate your Birkin without breaking the bank, right? One disclaimer, all of these pieces are coming from Asia, so they will take a while to arrive, okay? So I know that the strap and the loop, it took like 20 days to arrive or 25 days to arrive, something like that. You know, so just to set up your expectations right, you're not gonna get it tomorrow. And then same thing with the little Birkin. It didn't take as long as the pieces for the shoulder strap. It was a little bit faster, but still, just understand that your items are coming from Asia. And you know, I wouldn't recommend something that I didn't think was pretty and great quality, so you really have nothing to worry about. These look really, really beautiful, and I think are gonna add like a touch of possess to your bag or a touch of practicality with the straps, right? So I intend on ordering more straps for my bags. I do want to get a strap for this one right here. They do not have it in this color, which is the Rouge Grenade. So I need to figure out, maybe I'll do like a black strap. I don't know, what do you guys think? I would love to hear your suggestions. I don't know, maybe a white strap, and then I'll throw this cute little charm to kind of make it fit with the whole look. If you cannot find the exact match, I just think you're gonna have to be a little bit creative. Another way to do it as well is to put like maybe a twilly that has several colors on the twilly, and then you can pull one of the colors from the twilly to make it your strap color. Do you know what I mean? Because then it looks like a set and it looks put together. I wish Hermes itself would come up with these ideas. I know the Birkin is a very classic style and maybe Hermes doesn't want to touch it, but I do think you need to advance with the times, and then they can offer us the entire range of colors so we can match it exactly to our bag. I feel like we are having to go outside of Hermes to solve these problems that they could. So let me know how you enjoyed these ideas, guys. Today was Birkin Day, but hey, we are always looking for ways to jazz up our bags, make them more practical, more beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please, I hope you love it enough to stay. I have amazing tips for you, fashion, luxury, shopping, so stick around and I'll see you on the next video. Love you. Bye.